I'm excited to talk to you about our Intro to Computing course. If you've been looking for an opportunity to learn coding but don't know where to start, then this course is for you. This introductory college-level course focuses on Python programming and covers all the basics essential to developing your programming skills. You will learn beginner-level Python as well as computer basics, internet and website programming, and common algorithms. The course also teaches Python data structures, strategies for testing and debugging, how to use packages, and object-oriented programming. You will have an opportunity to work on industry-oriented projects, build web apps using Python frameworks, and learn automation with Selenium in Python. After completing this course, you will be able to write basic Python code, and then you'll be able to study on your own or take more advanced courses in data science so you can expand your career in the field. This course is open to students with no prior background in computer science or programming, and it's suitable for anyone who's interested in learning Python. My name is Kannan Shankaran, and I'm one of the instructors of this course. I'm formerly a senior software engineer machine learning with AT&T, where I regularly programmed in Python, Java, SQL, Hadoop, and Spark in my work. I'm passionate about data science and artificial intelligence, and hope to become a fortune teller one day through analyzing data. I would also like to introduce the other instructor of this course, Dr. Chu Jung. Dr. Jung acquired his PhD in atmospheric science from the University of Chicago and formerly worked as a senior physics engineer at NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab. Dr. Jung brings 20 years of research and industry experience to the data science department at Phaeton College, Middletown. Thank you for your interest in our Intro to Computing course. We look forward to meeting you in class.